One of my viewers commented that as a new carnivore, they were looking for more meals with eggs. Sounds like he's tired of eating the same thing every day. So today I'm fixing that. Here are 5 budget-friendly, fast carnivore breakfasts that will actually make you look forward to mornings again. For this first meal, I had leftover brisket, and I always use my leftovers and put it in my eggs. So I'm going to show you how I repurpose brisket and make a delicious breakfast. So I chopped up the brisket, weighed it at 7.2 ounces, cracked 5 eggs in a bowl, took some beef fat or tallow and heated that in a pan and scrambled my eggs. Gonna give it a little Redmond's real salt. So you can see when the eggs begin to curd or congeal, make clumps, then I just fold it in over itself and then I add the meat, in this case brisket. And I just fold it in over on itself and just stir it around. And when it gets to where the eggs are almost done, I will cover it, turn off the heat, and let it sit. And the residual heat and steam will finish cooking the eggs. And that is a healthy bowl. It is delicious. I can't tell you how amazing this meal really is. Let's give it a taste. This is phenomenal. This next meal is very simple. It's bacon and eggs. But I like to chop up my bacon in little pieces and fry it in a skillet. It makes it very crispy and you get all of that delicious goodness out of there. Look at that liquid gold. And we're going to keep that for cooking in the future. And I'm just cracking 8 eggs into a bowl because for this meal, it's only going to be 2 eggs and 2 pieces of bacon per meal. So 2 eggs, 2 pieces of bacon. And I just add my bacon right into the eggs. Again, I just covered it, let it sit to the side, and finish cooking. And somebody came because she could smell the bacon. And this is what our bacon and eggs look like. I'm going to portion it up for the week and try to get it as even as possible. And this is phenomenal. And so now I'm just going to cook the rest of the bacon and cook some eggs to go with it. And that can be a meal just like it is. And now I'm going to show you how to use leftover hamburger patties to make breakfast. So I'm going to put in about a tablespoon of bacon fat. And then I'm just going to put 1 hamburger patty in the skillet, cover it to keep that steam in there, and get it nice and beautifully brown. And then the other patty I just chopped up into small pieces, and each one of them got 2 eggs per hamburger patty. And beautifully brown. I'm just going to set that to the side so that I can make the eggs to go with it. And I'm just scrambling 2 eggs to go with the hamburger patty, just like I did the other eggs. And there they are in all their beautiful glory. And now I'm just going to put that chopped up hamburger patty into the skillet, get it nice and brown and get some umami flavor on there, and then pour in my 2 eggs and do the exact same thing. Just stir it around and get the eggs all done to your liking, and whatever that might be. And then we'll give it a taste test. I love to put my meat in my eggs. I'm not sure why, but that's my favorite way to have eggs. So we're just going to put that into the container and, all right, let's give it a little taste. So we have a beautiful browned patty and eggs, and you can see the beautiful color on the outside of that hamburger patty. All of that browning brings immense flavor. And remember, you can do this with any meat that you have left over in your fridge. So this is good, but it's not my favorite. I think I just prefer to have my meat inside the eggs. So you know what's funny is this is exactly the same thing, but I prefer the meat mixed into the eggs versus the hamburger patty and the eggs separate. This has to be my 3rd favorite breakfast. This is a no bread breakfast sandwich. These little muffin top pans are so convenient. I just crack an egg in each well, put sprinkle salt and pepper, pop them in the oven and bake them. at 350 degrees for 11 to 13 minutes. Make some sausage patties, make a sandwich out of it, and breakfast. I'll link some more breakfast recipes that I have for you in the description box. And if you have any requests, please put them in the comments. Which recipe was your favorite? Which one are you going to try? Let me know in the comments section. And if you have any requests, leave those too. I'll link some more recipes for you in the description box. God bless you and keep you. May the Lord make his face shine down upon you and give you peace.